Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to get rid of ads on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, and then right here we have to open network and internet option. Here we have to scroll down and click on this private DNS option, and we have to click on automatic. And now when our private DNS is turned on, that means that we can get rid of the ads. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!